Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you a tutorial about how I wash, maintain, and get these clip-ins that I've been wearing for the past 2-3 weeks to look brand new again. So if you really want to see how I do it, stay tuned for me to show you the process. So first thing I'm doing here is I'm just putting some water, putting all my clip-ins, running them through water. So usually, because I would have products in it, there's lots of product buildup. So the first thing to remove the product buildup is to put some shampoo in the water and just run the shampoo through the clip-ins. So in this step, what I do, there are different ways you can do this. You can either do it individually, run it through individual clip-ins, or you can use a rubber band to band all the clip-ins together and wash it together. I've done it in both ways, but for this video, I'm really doing them individually just because that's really what I wanted to do that day. But either one, there's no downside to doing it like that. But with this way, I get to run the shampoo and run the conditioner through every individual strand of clip-in. So here are all my clip-ins. I have gotten them, assembled them together, running some water on it one more time to wash out every leftover shampoo and product in this hair. So the rest is pretty self-explanatory. Just keep washing till you get really, your water gets clean and you wash it all up. So the next thing I'm going to do from here is to go with my conditioners. I'm using the same Sheer Moisture conditioner. That's the same shampoo I use, Sheer Moisture. I just love it. And I'm running my conditioner through. And now I have used a rubber band to band it all together to make it easy for me to rinse it out. So right now I'm just rinsing out the conditioner. So the next thing I'm going to do is my wash is done. I'm just going in with my blow dryer to make sure that I have perfect blow dried hair. And here you go. These bundles, these clip-ins, let me say, are looking so luscious. All the buildup, everything has been washed. And that's the thing about using good hair, guys. When you get good human hair, you can wash as many times as you want, and it's going to come back looking really good and really clean and silky. So I'm just running my brush through it, and you're gonna see what I'm doing next. So now my clip-ins are all clean, is ready to go back on my hair, but not before I curl it up. Let me tell you one thing that have been saving me time with using these clip-ins is using a curling wand to bring out the curls. That way, when it's time for me to put on my clip-ins in the morning when I'm rushing out, I don't need to be curling my hair in the morning. And that is exactly what I'm going to do. So I just use something, I use like a candle. You can use anything that has weight to put on top of the clip-ins just to hold it down. And I'm going in with my curling rods. These little curling rods or perm rods, they are just perfect because with this, I can curl my clip-ins overnight and just leave it till I'm ready to install it in my hair. So I left it overnight, and here it is. Here's the results. I'm trying to get it all out so I can install it on my hair. And this is how the curls are looking. So good, so juicy, and with very minimal heat, guys. all my busy professionals, this is just the best way to, curl your hair when you're short on time. So you're not doing it in the morning when you're getting ready for work. You just come in the morning and your curls are standing. You can do this when the clipping is on your hair, or you can do this when the clipping is not on your hair. It depends on you. Some people don't like to sleep with the bulk or have the curling rods just bulk up on their hair, but this works for me. Alright guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and if you're looking for really good high quality clip-ins, go ahead to my website, sell high quality extensions, clip-ins, raw hair, virgin hair, or luxury hair. You're going to find it all, and wigs as well on the website. Until next time guys, I will catch you in the next video. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.